in the Tesla Cybertruck, and this is the new lockbox for your Tesla Cybertruck armrest. It has two openings, one for the actual outlet and the other for the USB-C. This is a combo lock mechanism, and you can adjust this for 4 digits combination. Right now it's set to default to 0. And there's a manual lever to open. This is a solid steel. To change the combination, you have to unlock it to open. So under open, you switch this lever over, and then now you can change the combination. So let's do 1 1 1, and then push this to lock in the combination. And now you can lock. So now 0 0 0 does not work anymore. So moving it back to 1 1 1. And how to install this is fairly easy. So if you have the plug already in here and you want to also plug in the USB-C, you want to do that first. And then you run the wires through this opening here. So it does have padding that you can stick down with 3M adhesive on the bottom there, but we'll remove that temporarily right now, including this one. So runs through just like that. And this safe, you can bolt it down into the actual underneath the armrest here if needed. But this slide just like this. So in an L shape, you want to slide it in like that. It falls into place. So there's 2 screws on each side there that you can bolt into the actual center console itself. So it's in here securely. There you have it. So perfect fit. It does have a little opening for the charge wire. So they thought about everything. So that's the USB-C. So that's how it looks like. You still can put your storage tray on top. So if you have a storage tray, so this is the OEM storage tray actually. It's very flimsy, but get the aftermarket. If you don't have it, don't get the one from Tesla. Just like that. So if you're interested in this product, check out link in the description of this video. Lockbox for your Tesla Cybertruck. It also has a spring loaded, so it automatically pops open. And you can put any items in here that you want to secure, whether that's your wallet or an actual firearm. Again, it has the padding, so you can put the padding on the bottom. Remember, use the promo code in the description as well.